Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera, get a nice tailgate step as well, mud flaps on the rear, a nice black platform running board, side view camera, lights, and blind spot detection, and you do get mud flaps on the front with a nice black hood deflector, front park sensing with recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, plenty of door space, carpet interior with floor mats. You got cup holders, USB-Cs, rear vents, and 120-volt outlet, and you do get a rear split bench that you can easily put more cargo in. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. We have our auto stop, auto start, lights, spotlights, and parking brake all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 7.4 kilometers. We do get a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we have My View, Trip and Feel, your gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select. You have your speeds. It is collapsible with storage, cup holders, more storage here with some outlets. You do get that nice center console with tons of storage. Drive modes, 4-wheel drive, rear locking diff, and trailer brake, pro trailer assist. We got heated front seats, dual climate, 12 volt and 120. Got storage above and storage in the glove compartment. Storage right here as well, with a nice powered rear window opener. We do get our infotainment system. It's nice and big. We do get our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone capabilities, navigation, fave apps, messaging, email, zone lighting, all that fun. And any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And you got your settings, just your normal vehicle settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KD78074, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.